Hi, to stop sharing photos between your iCloud devices on iPhone 16e, firstly, we are gonna open Settings. So, in your main settings, scroll all the way down, select this last section, Apps, and here find your Photos app. Now you will see some features. So, to stop sharing photos between your Apple devices, you need to toggle off the switch by tapping it, like in my case, and then confirm by clicking red option. Additionally, if you have shared albums enabled, you can edit them to restrict access to your photos. So you can tap on this switch and click OK to confirm. But even with iCloud Photos disabled, your photo library will be included in your iPhone backup. To check this, go back in your main settings, find your profile info. Here pick iCloud from the list. And in this Save to iCloud category, we can find that photos got status on, just as I said before. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.